Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and today I'm going to show you how you can switch out a breaker in your control panel on your RV or trailer. It's pretty simple to do. It should only take you about 15 or so minutes, and you shouldn't need any complicated tools. Usually just a Phillips head screwdriver and maybe a square head screwdriver. Now, it should be important to note that it would be best to have a professional do this, as it does involve working with things that can carry 120 volt power, which can give you quite a serious shock. But if you don't want to have a professional do this, this is how you can do it. So we'll get right into it. First, we will disconnect the RV or trailer from 120 volt power completely, as well as disconnect the battery just to be safe. We can start to open up our control panel. For us, we had to take the cover off, which was just these two Phillips head screws, and it came right off. Once we have the cover off, we're going to check the power once again using a voltmeter, just to make extra sure that there's no power in the system. And the first thing we'll do is we'll remove this little guard that kind of holds the breakers in. And once we have that removed, we can wiggle out the breaker we want to replace. Once we have the breaker out, we can pull it out a little bit to kind of arrange the wires so they're a little easier to get off and on. And we'll use a screwdriver. I'm using a square head screwdriver to loosen the connections and get the wires out of the old breaker. Once the wires are out, we can take the new breaker and slide the wires into the wire ports there and tighten down the screws and make sure it's nice and tight. Once that's done, we can slide the new breaker back into its position where the old one was, and we'll want to press firmly down to make sure it's seated correctly. Then we can replace that little holder panel thing. Once we have the little panel thing back on, we can put our control panel facing on and put the screws back in. Now that everything is back on, we can reconnect the 120 volt power and the 12 volt battery power. And we can go back to the circuit breakers and flip them on one by one and ensure that everything is working correctly. That's about all there is to it when it comes to replacing a breaker in the control panel of your RV or trailer. As I said, it can be dangerous, and it would be best to have a professional do it, but if you opt not to, that's basically how you do it. And it shouldn't take you very long. Simple tools and only about 10-15 minutes to do it. If you like this video and you want to see more how-tos and other informational videos from us in the future, like this video and hit the subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.